I will now demonstrate the element authorization functionality from the authorizing user perspective. As soon as the authorizing user has logged in, a pop-up screen is presented. This pop-up screen will disappear automatically. Clicking on the bell alerts area will have the pop-up screen reappear. Notice that these alerts will remain there until the user has actively deleted this alert, even if the user performs the required action. To go to the workflow list, click on one of the alert items. A new tab is opened in the Browse Work List. In the Browse Work List, all the workflow items for this user are presented. Several options are available. First of all, I can see the workflow history. I can see the username and the time that the workflow has been initiated and what changes have been performed. In this case, I can see an attachment has been added. Same holds for the second line. I can see the workflow history. Additionally, I can see the changes that have been made. In this case, I can see the element master, the old values, and the new values. In this case, you will notice that the bank account and the IBAN account are not the same. Notice also that a new screen, a new tab has popped up. Click on the Browse Work List to go back to your Browse Work List. Again, here the changes can be seen, and I can see again that the old values were incorrect and the new values have been changed. Additionally, I can see that an attachment has been added to this element. To open the attachment, I'll click on the paperclip. In this case, the browser will automatically open a new tab showing the document. Select the Unit 4 Financials tab to go back to the program. I can also manage the attachment by deleting it, changing it, or adding a new attachment. Finally, to perform a workflow action, I can click on this plus and several options are presented. In this case, I can see the changes are correct. I have checked that the documentation is correct, and I will approve this workflow item. When approving, when authorizing, a comment is not required. For the second element, I will be denying the change, as I have noticed that the bank details are not correct. So I can see I have two items now, and I have two response screens clicked open. Here I won't be adding a comment. Here you can see that a comment is compulsory. By clicking on this button, all actions will be submitted. I can see two actions have been submitted successfully.